Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Mailchimp for freelance email marketing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Mailchimp for your freelance email marketing, start by creating an account on the Mailchimp website. Visit Mailchimp.com and click on the Sign Up Free button. Enter your email address, username, and a password to create your account. Once you've signed up, check your email for a confirmation link to activate your account. After activation, log in to your Mailchimp account. On the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Next, click on the Audience tab to set up your email list. Here, you can either create a new audience or import an existing one from a spreadsheet. To create a new audience, click on Create Audience and fill in the necessary fields such as audience name and default email address. Ensure you also set the From name to reflect your brand accurately. To import a list, select Import Contacts and follow the prompts to upload your spreadsheet. After building your audience, navigate to the Campaigns tab to start creating your email campaign. Click on the Create Campaign button and choose Email as your campaign type. Give your campaign a name and select your audience from the drop-down menu. Now, choose a template for your email. Mailchimp offers various pre-designed templates that can cater to different styles. Customize your chosen template by adding your branding elements, text, and images. Use the drag-and-drop editor to rearrange components easily. Once your content is ready, click on the Next button to proceed to the recipient's page. Confirm that you are sending the email to the correct audience and segment if necessary. Next, review your campaign settings by checking the tracking options and social media integrations. Finally, click the Schedule or Send button, depending on when you want your email to be delivered. For tracking your results, return to the Campaigns tab after your email is sent. Select your campaign to view performance analytics such as open rates and click rates. Utilize this data to refine your future email marketing strategies. As you grow more comfortable with Mailchimp, explore advanced features like automation and A/B testing to enhance your campaigns. Consistently engage with your audience and adjust your approach based on the insights you gather. With these steps, you are now ready to effectively use Mailchimp for your freelance email marketing efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.